My name is Ruth Ann Allison. This is a demonstration speech. Today I will be performing a mini mental status examination. I learned how to perform this assessment 2 years ago while working in a long-term care facility. The mini mental status exam is a quick way to determine one's cognitive functioning and to identify cognitive loss. The mini mental status examination is a series of questions and commands. There are a few materials needed for the examination. You will need a mini mental status exam form, a blank sheet of paper, a pencil, and a watch. Now that I have gathered the supplies needed, I will proceed with the examination in a quiet, well-lit room. The person I will be administering the test to is a 60-year-old, Mr. Allison. To assess orientation to time, I will ask 5 questions. Each question is worth 1 point. Mr. Allison, what year is it?
2011.
What season?
Summer.
What month?
June.
What day?
Thursday.
And the date.
23rd.
To assess orientation to place, I will ask 5 questions. Each question is worth 1 point. Mr. Allison, what state are we in?
Alabama.
What county are we in?
Lauderdale.
And what city?
Florence.
What hospital?
ECM.
And what floor are we on?
3rd.
Next, I will check his registration, which is related to his memory. I will name 3 objects and ask him to repeat them back to me. Each object is worth 1 point. Mr. Allison, repeat after me. Tree, ball, flag.
Tree, ball, flag.
To determine his attention status, I will say a word, and I will need him to spell it backwards. Each letter in the correct order is worth 1 point. Mr. Allison, spell world backwards, please.
D-L-R-O-W.
To check his recallability, I will ask him to repeat the 3 objects stated to him earlier. Mr. Allison, do you remember the 3 objects that I stated to you earlier?
Tree, ball, and a flag.
To determine his language ability, I will show him 2 objects to identify. Each correct object is worth 1 point. Mr. Allison, what is this object?
Pencil.
And what is this?
Watch.
I will make a statement, and I will ask him to repeat it back to me. This is worth 1 point. Mr. Allison, repeat after me, please. No ifs, ands, or buts.
No ifs, ands, or buts.
Worth 3 points, I will ask him to follow a 3-stage command. Mr. Allison, take this piece of paper in your right hand, fold it in half, and place it on the floor. Mr. Allison, I need you to read and obey this statement, please.
Close your eyes.
Mr. Allison, I need you to write a sentence for me. It must contain a subject, a verb, and it must make sense. Mr. Allison wrote, "My dog is having fun." Now, Mr. Allison, I need you to copy these drawings, please. The total possible score of the mini mental status examination is a 30. Mr. Allison scored a 30. 24 to 30 indicates normal functioning. 24 to 20 indicates mild impairment. 10 to 20 indicates moderate. And 0 to 10 indicates severe intellectual functioning. Thank you, Mr. Allison, for participating today. This concludes our examination.